I was attracted to Amazon working with the market leaders in robotics, leading the world for automation, and especially in Australia. I wanted to be here and on the forefront. My previous role was based around just conveyors and not robotics. Everyone's following Amazon. They're leading the world. I'm Jason. I'm a senior RME and I work at the Amazon robotics site in Sydney. To say I work at Amazon at the largest robotics site in the southern hemisphere in Australia is just amazing. People think that robots do all the work, but robots are actually helping the people do the work. We use robots to aid people to do their jobs a lot easier, a lot safer, and enjoy when they come to work. Day-to-day role can be very exciting. You start morning off, if you're on a day shift, into a maintenance window, you're helping the team plan, get into the heavy maintenance with the machinery off. You set up for the daily meeting, system checks, all their preventative maintenance as well. And then you're turning the conveyors on. You're supporting operations, making sure parcels get delivered to the customer. And in that, you can get thrown every curveball. The site's running, you're wanting to get the best out of the site. There's always continuous improvement. There's always something to do on site. There's never a dull day, and there's probably never the same day on site. We have sensors on nearly every moving part. So on our motors, our bearings, our conveyor systems, a lot of that brings back data. We can read vibrations, temperatures. We can get on top of these things and eliminate unforeseen breakdowns, which is great. Definitely makes your job less stressful by seeing this data, and we actually are not affecting the customer, the operations. Amazon's always allowing you to step outside of your comfort zones. I've been very privileged to travel to Japan, see how they work, see how RME work overseas, their senior technicians. I've helped launch other new sites in Sydney. The sky's the limit. That's the great thing about working here. You feel appreciated each day. Even if it's been busy and you've had a bad day, you still walk out with a smile going, okay, everyone worked as a great team to get that result still.